Hey Ninjas, Larry Kendall here with your weekly Ninja Action Tip. What is the best buy in your market right now? Do you know what that is? If somebody came into you, a buyer came into you with virtually unlimited resources, and they said, "What's the best deal you have for me today?" What would you show them? Do you know what that is? I think we should always know our market well enough that we know what the best deals are, the best buys in the market. And in fact, what I would recommend that you do is when you're talking to other realtors, maybe you're at a sales meeting, you're at the office, ask them, "Hey, what's the best deal you know about right now?" Knowing the best deal, knowing the best buy keeps you on top of the market, and immediately it keeps you in a position to help somebody when they're looking for a house. You know in that price range what the best deal is. That's your Ninja Action Tip for the week. Know the best buy in your market and in your basic submarkets right now.